Hello everyone, this is Sonam here from EnglishWise Sydney City branch. Today we have got our latest successful student Clara with us. Clara has scored 9 in 3 modules of PTE and 1 module is 8 and the total score is 8 each. Overall is 86. Listening is 87, reading is 87, speaking is 90 and writing is 85. Congratulations Clara, that's an amazing score that you have got. I know that it wasn't an easy journey since you have joined us. I wouldn't say it was too hard because I've seen worst case scenarios, but I know your dedication and your hard work that you have put into this score that you have got and you fully deserve it. So congratulations for that.
Thank you so much.
This video is very special because what Clara is going to share with us today is very unique, and I think she was one that observed the training. She has experience with training and at the end she has success as well. So Clara, my first question to you is that tell me, you had few unsuccessful attempts as well. If somebody is in the same situation as you and they're trying to get their 79, what should be the checklist for that person before they can go for the exam and they are eligible to get the score?
So there are main sections that you have to review. If you speak with the teachers, they will lead you and give you like a full list of them. Of course, read aloud, repeat sentences, and write from dictation are essential. You have to be almost perfect in that ones. What else? Like in reading, it's also important to at least know the methodology and review your drive, and yeah, like have that in mind. Like you have to be pretty confident in these sections.
Now when it comes to resources, okay, what should be an ideal checklist for a student when it comes to resources? Like when do you think that you should feel confident enough to go for the test? What should you have done for that?
PTE study is ideal for repeat sentences, I would say. I think PTE study is essential for all the speaking section. Reading aloud, like I got like I would say like half of the questions from PTE.
So half of the questions from repeat sentence were from real PTE.
Yeah.
What about the EnglishWise prediction files that you have done? What do you think about that?
It's pretty useful. I got like not many of them, but for practicing it's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
Did you do the software that we give?
Yes, that is also practicing is pretty good, and also help you to know your weaknesses.
Now when it comes to the feedback that you've got it from trainers here, do you think you know how sometimes the problem is at a very minute level, it's a very microscopic level sometimes, that you know you're not sure what that little mistake are you making. Do you think it was done in depth for you? Like do you think there was an in-depth analysis?
Yeah, your tutors are amazing. They have a lot of experience and they will help you to know where your mistakes are. Listen to them. They're also gonna suggest different strategies. Not all work for you, but one of them will. So try to, I don't know, in my case was like, okay, for example, repeat sentences, memorizing didn't work because that's one of the things you at the beginning kind of try to do.
Exactly.
And then I was like, okay, let's repeat the first part and then the second part. I was getting good, but my fluency wasn't that good. So in the end, I tried third technique. That was like write initials. You have to be careful with that one, and also they advise you to be careful with that one because you have to be fast enough. So
there's always a way out.
But I tried all of them, and in the end I decided which one was better for me, for my speaking, for my fluency, and
accuracy. But I just would like to mention here as well, as a student we have seen Clara every day in this institute. After work she would come every single day and spend a lot of time here, and with a fresh mind and very thoughtful training she has done. That I am pretty sure, and very thoroughly, because I've actually closely seen her in the labs as well. Now, Clara is from Colombia, and she's her mother tongue, her native language is Spanish. And this final message that we are trying to communicate is for our Spanish community that is studying with us, and all the aspirants that are planning to appear for the PT exam, because what she is going to share here is something she struggled with, and then she worked on it, and then she got her score. So it's about the pronunciation with the Spanish speaking. So basically we always think it's our accent, but Clara will tell you that it's not about the accent. Clara, if you would like to communicate this in Spanish, you can go ahead and do it, and I can just translate for you.
Okay.
But just something special for the community itself.
Okay. Hola, pues el mensaje que les quiero dar hoy es practiquen pronunciación. Nosotros siempre vamos a tener un acento, y que es un acento muy fuerte, pero pronunciación es algo muy diferente. Eso fue trabajo duro, y no es acerca del acento, como les digo, es estudiar sonidos que nuestro lenguaje no tiene. Español, por ejemplo, no tiene, en el caso de los colombianos, no tenemos la V, no tenemos la TH, no tenemos SH, y son sonidos muy importantes en secciones como son en el speaking, repeat sentences o read aloud. Ustedes tienen que trabajar duro con eso. Lean acerca del alfabeto fonético, apréndanselo, lean libros en voz alta, eso les ayuda mucho, pero yo diría que vean videos en YouTube y en Google acerca de pronunciación. Aprendan cómo poner la lengua y la boca, porque eso es esencial. Eso cambia su vida en esta sección en speaking.
Thank you so much, Clara. So as we discussed before, so I know exactly what she said. So basically, Clara is trying to say that it's not the accent, guys, it's the phonetics. It's the sound of the words that are not existing in the native language that makes it harder for us to say something very fluently in English, because the sound is not there. So she has told you the ways how to fix it, but identifying and knowing the problem was the main thing. So thank you so much, Clara, for coming in today. We are so happy for you. Congratulations once again, and thanks for doing it for us. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you to you.
If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you so much for connecting with us.
Thank you.